When I got enough confidence, the stage was gone. When I was sure of losing, I won. When I needed people the most, they left me. When I learned to dry my tears, I found a shoulder to cry on. When I mastered the skill of hating, someone started loving me from the core of the heart. And while waiting for the light for hours, when I fell asleep, the sun come up. That's life. No matter what you plan, you never know what life has planned for you. Success introduces you to the world, but failure introduces the world to you. Always be happy. Often when we lose hope and think this is the end, God smiles from above and says, "Relax, sweetheart. It's just a band, not the end."